Hi guys! In this video you will learn how to flank enemies successfully in COD Warzone Mobile. Well, to do that, keep an eye on the minimap to locate enemy positions and plan your flanking route accordingly. It will avoid running into enemy fire unknowingly. Crouch or prone to reduce your visibility and noise, making it harder for enemies to detect you. It will increases your chances of surprising enemies. Move from cover to cover to avoid being spotted and to be protect yourself while flanking. It will reduces the risk of getting shot while on the move. Listen for enemy footsteps and gunfire to gauge their location and movement patterns. It will help you anticipate enemy position and movements. Deploy smoke grenades to create cover and conceal your movements while flanking. It will provide visual cover, making it harder for enemies to spot you. Coordinate with your team to execute synchronized flanking maneuvers for maximum effectiveness. It will increases the chances of overwhelming the enemy. Equip weapons and attachments that suits your flanking style, such as silenced weapons or those with high mobility. It enhances your ability to engage enemies while remaining undetected. Familiarize yourself with the layout of each map to identify optimal flanking routes and hiding spots. It will allow for more strategic and efficient flanking maneuvers. Place tactical insertions strategically to respawn closer to enemy position and continue flanking. It reduces the time needed to reposition after respawning. Keep moving to avoid becoming an easy target for enemies and to maintain unpredictability. It makes it harder for enemies to track and eliminate you. Use elevated positions to gain a better vantage point and surprise enemy from above. It provides a wider field of view and better cover. Move horizontally across the map instead of directly towards enemy to catch them off guard. It increases the element of surprise and reduces the risk of encountering heads-on resistance. Flank with a teammate to provide mutual support and cover each other's blind spots. It increases survivability and effectiveness during flanking maneuvers. And that's how to flank enemies successfully in COD Warzone Mobile. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.